Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel Balalaika. My name is Kate and today we are going to talk about women. There is a stereotype that Russian and Ukrainian women are the most beautiful.
Ах, боярыня красотою лепа, червлена губами, бровьми союзным.
But our culture also requires some special way of interacting with women. And this information is always unspoken. You can't Google it, you can't find it in Wikipedia. All the tips I'm going to share with you today about interacting with Russian or Ukrainian women, I assumed from my female friends' experience. First, let's talk about what I strongly recommend do not do when you meet Russian or Ukrainian women. The taboo number one is to ask about her age.
Сколько вам? 32? 3?
34.
34?
For any girl, this question will cause only confusion in the best for you scenario.
Тьфу на вас.
Second question which I do not recommend you to ask is if she's married or has a boyfriend. For me, personally, this question is quite annoying, especially when it goes right after «Привет, как дела?». Number 3. Try to avoid phrase «Привет, красотка, как дела?». Even if you struggle to learn this phrase, it sounds super banal and cliché. Better if you just ask «Привет, как настроение?» or «Привет, как прошел твой день?». And now we can talk about what you should do. The most difficult skill to develop is the skill of making compliments. But if you develop this skill, you can improve your image a lot. And my personal recommendation number one, which I actually give to my Russian friends as well, try to compliment the person, not the thing. Instead of saying «очень красивый наряд», which means this is a very beautiful outfit, much more personal would be «Этот наряд тебе очень идет». Этот наряд тебе очень идет. Этот наряд тебе очень идет. Which is, this outfit fits you really well.
Вам очень идет.
I think every girl would prefer to receive a compliment about herself instead of a compliment about her scarf, her dress, her skirt, so keep that in mind. My suggestion number 2. Try to be creative every day and use a different phrase every day for a different situation. So here are 7 phrases for 7 days a week, which you can use to compliment your female friend in Russian. Ты сегодня великолепна. Великолепна. Ты сегодня великолепна. Мне очень нравится твоя компания. Мне очень нравится твоя компания. Мне очень нравится твоя компания. Ты очень приятный собеседник. Собеседник. Ты очень приятный собеседник. Ты очень красиво выглядишь. Ты очень красиво выглядишь. Ты очень красиво выглядишь. Сегодня ты особенно красива. Особенно. Сегодня ты особенно красива. Ты радуешь глаз. Ты радуешь глаз. Ты радуешь глаз. Ты изумительна. Ты изумительна. Ты изумительна. Also, if you feel like you need more practice with these phrases, under this video you will find a link to my Quizlet profile. With the help of Quizlet, you can memorize these phrases, practice writing them and pronouncing. And remember that you can make or ruin someone's day with just one phrase. So please be very careful and conscious about the words you are choosing for communication. If you are not sure about some phrases, I would recommend you to do more research on it or ask a native speaker. If you have any questions about Russian language, mentality or culture, feel free to contact me on my Instagram. I will really appreciate if you press the like, so I know that this video was informative for you. Береги себя и своих близких. Пока-пока!